Hi, I'm Stephen Richardson. As a building material salesman here at Global Sales, I work with customers all the time who are looking to either replace or install new sliding doors for their patios and outdoor living spaces. Today I want to share some things to think about when you buy sliding doors and show you some of the great options that we have. If you live in Bermuda or the Caribbean, you get to enjoy beautiful island views and weather, and sliding doors are a perfect way to open up your living spaces to the outdoors. But because you do live in an island climate, it's important to use materials in your home that'll withstand the harsh light, humidity, and heat that can come with island living. We offer several sliding door options that are both attractive and practical. We like vinyl frames for sliding doors to be installed in island climates for their durability. Vinyl is a low-maintenance material that could stand up to the elements without peeling, rotting, or corroding. There are also a few features that we have available in our products and that we recommend for use in all sliding doors used in Bermuda and throughout the Caribbean. The first feature that we recommend is stainless steel hardware, which is the most corrosion-resistant hardware available. The next feature we recommend is tandem rollers, which provide effortless sliding. We also prefer Max Low E glass, which minimizes radiant heat, improving the energy efficiency of your home. Finally, both our lines are available with high back bottom tracks to deter wind and water intrusion. JELD-WEN has some great sliding doors in their premium vinyl line. These sliding doors can open up a space as large as 24 feet wide by 10 feet high and come in a range of popular sizes for easy installation. Glass options include the Low E that I mentioned previously and 4 tints in addition to clear glass. JELD-WEN's Impact Guard glass is available as an upgrade. This glass resists the impact of wind-borne debris and harsh weather, so it's practical for coastal climates. You can choose from 3 interior finishes and up to 4 exterior colors for the frames and hardware and several different grid configurations. Their multi-slide door systems are available with bypass panels that can be designed to move in either one direction or with independently moving panels, providing a range of configuration possibilities. JELD-WEN delivers a lot of style at a very good value. PGT is another manufacturer we represent. For a truly panoramic view, their WindGuard vinyl and Energy View doors are the way to go. These sliding doors can fit up to a 40-foot opening with plenty of features and options that make them both beautiful and functional. Their bypass doors can be configured for corners and come in a wide range of sizes, so they can work with virtually any opening, with doors that could span up to 40 feet in width and 10 feet in height. PGT offers 7 exterior frame colors and 6 interior colors, several grid styles and patterns, privacy glass, energy efficient glass, and 9 different tints. Their sliding doors have a dual point locking mechanism that ensures security by preventing the door from being lifted off the tracks. They also carry a heavy-duty box screen option that is one of the best in the industry. PGT's WindGuard panels come standard with impact-resistant glass that meets the toughest codes in the US. These doors protect against hurricane damage and intruders, as well as UV rays and outside noise. Both the Energy View and WindGuard lines offer the durability of vinyl, energy efficiency, and a range of custom options that make PGT sliding doors an ideal solution to complement the unique style of virtually any home. No matter what door style you're looking for, Global Sales can recommend a variety of suitable choices. Thanks for watching, and please let me know how I can help you with your next project.